If you want to hear my November update for my rolling project pan, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène. Welcome or welcome back to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I cannot wait to update you on my rolling project pan. This is my second last update for year 2020, and I think it's a good one. I have had a lackluster performance on the rolling project pan over the last number of months, mostly because of holiday sets and having to try and use all sorts of other products that were displacing the kind of staple products that were in this project pan. And it's fine, but I actually have done or made some decent progress this month and do want to talk to you about it. So first off, we're going to take care of one product I did not use at all this month, and it is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And I really thought I was moving to this one last month because the Franken Shadow that I've been using from Smashbox Matte Exposure I thought was just too warm. Well, I managed to keep using it and finished that one pan that I could get my bronzer brush into. And so now that it's done, apart from holiday set bronzers that I should be using when I'm using Elizabeth Arden or Estee Lauder or Lancôme, if I'm not using one of those holiday sets, I will finally be going back to this bronzer. I love this bronzer. It is very, very complementary to my skin tone in the winter, so I'm really looking forward to getting back to it, despite the fact that it has a tropical look. It's very good to me in the winter. So yes, I truly will be using this bronzer again. I love the smell. I love the way it looks on my face. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. But I didn't use it because I was using all these other bronzers. Another product that I did use just a little bit is this one. And most of my progress on this one was not this past month, it was the month before, where I made a lot of progress. But I think you'll see, based on what I showed you last month, that I am very, very close to finishing it. And so I use this product once or twice a week at most. I think I used it twice this past month though. Just as a stronger moisturizer overnight. So I use it as a night mask that I just don't bother taking off. And I don't use it very much on my neck. It's mostly just my face. And it does feel very soothing, very moisturizing. You can feel the active ingredient though, or ingredients at the beginning when you put it on. You can feel something going on. So it's not like moisturizer like First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream where you put it on your face and you just feel like your face is just drinking up the product if you have dry skin like I do. I have dry skin very much on the periphery of the face. This one is a bit different. This one you really feel something is going on with the mask. And I think I have, just based on how much I usually use, I think I have about 3 more applications and it will be done. So I expect to have it finished by the end of the year. Next up is a lip gloss that I have been working on. I've got 2 of these in this project, and this is the one with the least amount of progress. And I lay it flat, so I put the line for you in a liner so that you could see how far I have come with this liner. And it will very soon be the only the gloss. It will soon be the only gloss that I have in this project, and so I expect my progress on it to accelerate. It was barely used over the last couple of months, and so I have started to use it more. And like I said, it will be my only gloss in this project, and so I'll be focusing on it quite a bit. And I think that a shiny pearl and gold lip gloss is perfect for the winter. I'm just finishing up this one, which I'm about to show you as well. And if you're curious, I have this Tartiste lip paint in Exposed underneath this lip gloss that is the Champagne Dream and Bellini by Becca. It's a lip gloss lip topper. And I think that you can see that there is quite a bit of product gone in here. I am now scraping the sides, and if I take the wand out, you can see the full extent of the fact that there's not much left of this gloss. The end, there's barely anything in the end. The doe foot applicator makes it look like there's more in the tube, but there's really almost nothing left. There's more product right here, and within a week I expect that this will all be empty, as in clear, empty, nothing left, based on the previous gloss that I finished of this line. So very excited about this. And now, speaking of finishing a product, this look that I'm wearing right now was the last application of this liner. I had trouble finishing the look. It's very, very dry. Of course, now it's doing a better job for me. But if I try to apply more than once, it just starts, you see how it's just kind of gray? It is done. I'm happy to have finished it. It's not a great liner though. It was too liquidy at the beginning. Not great for me. Some people swear by it, and if it's working for you, continue using it. It's the right choice for you. For me, it started off too liquidy. It was kind of out of control. In the medium term usage, it was perfect. And in the last few weeks, it's been getting really just drier and drier and drier and harder to do a wing. And the more you go, the likelier it is that you're going to mess up your liner, right? It's a lot better if you're just going and doing the one line as opposed to going over and over and tugging and trying to finish. So it's time to let it go. I would not repurchase. It is not a liner for me. But like I said, a number of people think it is the cat's meow. And if you're one of those folks, keep on using it. And I would not discourage anyone from trying it because a lot of people like it. It's just finding a liner that works for us. And for me, it just doesn't cut it. So that is it. My focus this coming period is to finish the Champagne Dream and Bellini, which I think you'll agree I will definitely meet that goal. It's also to finish the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Mask. Again, I think I have 3 uses, so that should not be a problem. Checking this product. Focusing or moving my focus to this lip gloss, which is one of the oldest glosses in my collection, the Pearl and Gold from Becca. And to resume use of my butter bronzer because it is a product that I truly love, and now I can make room for because I won't be using the holiday set face products as much as I have been over the last couple of months. Now you might say, well, Hélène, you have so few products. I am just going to leave it as is. I'm still working on holiday sets this month, and I want to start off the January rolling project pan kind of fresh with some new products. So I'm going to kind of coast through December, use the products as I just said I would, but I'm not going to put additional pressure on myself during the holiday season. We have enough pressure coming at us from all sides. I think I'm just going to kind of chill with the rolling project pan and come back fresh in the new year. I hope that makes sense to you. Let me know what you think of my progress. Let me know what you think I should include in my rolling project pan starting in 2021. And with all that usage, I managed to go down 7.3 grams in product from last month to this month. Pretty happy about that. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.